Hey guys.
Hey everyone.
Jason. It's Jim Bounds at Co-op Motorworks and Motorhome Rehab Ranch. And we probably got your attention on that the title of this video, so let's get to it.
Yeah. All right. Cooperative Motorworks bought the farm, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
Cooperative Motorworks bought the farm. Bring that thing in here. Yep. Cooperative Motorworks bought the farm, but a better way to put that is we bought the ranch. Okay. Cooperative Motorworks, as of December 31st, will no longer be in business. Okay. Business as you know it, as what we have been doing for the last 25 years, and we've had a wonderful time doing it, will stop. Okay. And just like everything else that stops, things come out of it. I've found what I believe is a better way that I can help the community going forward in the future, and that's what we're going to be doing by the beginning of January, middle of January.
Middle of January.
The property needs to be completely vacated. So 25 years of a GMC hoarder's stuff has to find a new home, has to find where it needs to go, and needs to keep going. We need to find stewards for all this stuff. Okay? We're going to be, we got a video coming out tomorrow about how we're going to do some things. So stay tuned for that. Okay? And I appreciate all the support that you guys have given me over the years and decades. And we're going to be doing a lot more things. Here, give me, hold on one sec. Like to present Jason.
Yep.
With the wrench.
It's a broken wrench, but no, I'm just kidding. It just comes apart.
No, Jason's going to be continuing on the projects that we're doing and more projects in the future. And Jason?
Yeah. All right. So, as Jim mentioned, middle of January is kind of our phase out. Well, end of December is going to be when Cooperative Motorworks shuts down. All of the mechanical jobs that Cooperative Motorworks has done or will be doing in the future, that's all over. We're going to have a rally. I want to talk about that real quick first. We're going to have something mid-January, so the 16th of January, which is a Monday, going to the 22nd of January. That's 1 week. We're going to have a kind of celebration of life of Cooperative Motorworks. So that's immediately following the Sunshine Statesman Rally, which is in Ormond Beach. That's I think the 13th to the 15th.
Right.
We are kind of catching the end of that. We plan on being at that rally as well, doing a little seminar or something like that. But going forward, we're going to do the celebration of life. And so it's a whole week. We're inviting everyone out there, whether you have a GMC, you want a GMC, you just wanted to see what Co-op became, you know, the pinnacle of what we've gotten to.
I don't know if you ever see a place that's 26,000 square feet just to GMC motorhomes.
Right.
I mean, you know, somebody's crazy to do that again. And if you thought about wanting to do that, don't. Trust me.
Yeah. So we're, you know, we're going to get rid of everything off property. So by the end of that rally, we're hoping that you guys have hauled away all of the unobtainium and everything that we've collected over the years. And then, you know, by the end of January, we have to be off property 100%. So we're asking you, please, you know, share this video, tell everyone you know, try to get people to come here, because, you know, if there's a part that we have around here that you can't find anywhere else, this might be the last chance to get it.
We know this is short notice. This is 30-day notice. But if you're going to be in GMCs and you're going to keep yours, and you want to see what's possible, you really should come down here and see this. We're going to have a rip snorting fun time. It's going to be great, and nobody leaves with nothing.
Yeah, we're going to be giving away a lot of stuff, but things are going to be for sale. Now, Jim handed me the wrench. Let me talk about that real quick. So Jim's going to be doing his motorhome rehab ranch and the videos. Me, I am going to open up a shop of my own. I don't know what the location is going to be yet. I'm looking for locations. If you got a location you think I could utilize to set up a shop,
Ranch hands, get out there. If you got an idea, there are many ideas. Okay, we're floating a lot of ideas, but Jason is going to keep this dream alive.
Yep.
Doing this stuff.
So I'm the future of the GMC motorhomes. You know, you can't expect Jim to keep turning wrenches.
Oh, no.
Yeah,
I'll bleed
that's why
out
he
in
handed
front
it
of
to
you.
me.
I'll bleed out in front of you.
So I am asking for you guys' support just in locations, stuff like that. I'm gonna get set up in the next I don't know how
He won't
much
hit
you guys
us,
can
don't
hear
worry.
that. Yeah. But I'm gonna be setting up a shop, and that's where we're gonna be building these things in the next few years. So I'll hopefully have that up and running
We've
in
already got
2023.
the queue. We've already got
Yeah.
coaches in the queue
Right.
now.
So I'll be finishing up the projects that we started, but I'll also be taking on new work. If you are wanting work done by me and by my team in the future, we're going to have some links below talking about how to do that. So any future projects, you can contact me directly through the emails. That's going to be the best thing right now, and we can start the planning process of those future builds. So it's raining on us, yeah.
Hey
oh,
guys,
yeah.
just want to let you know, for some reason every time we do a video that we're holding a cup, that we have more hits. So
Yeah, we get more comments
we
and
get more
stuff,
comments.
so, you know,
so
thanks
yeah,
for that.
There's no microphone in the cup. Microphone's over there. But these two cups are going to be sent out to two of the ranch hands. So got a gold one and a chrome one. So if you get it, here it is, brother. All right, well, have we covered everything?
I think so. Or if we haven't, we'll cover it in future videos.
We have a video within 2 days talking about the event. We want you to be here. We're gonna have a good time. We'll figure out where to park in and all that stuff. Thanks again. Thanks for being ranch hands. Click and subscribe. Get on
And
that,
share.
brother. And share. Oh, subscribe. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Share.
click, subscribe, share.
All that stuff.
Yep.
We need all of it. Go to YouTube. Go to Instagram. All of it. Thank
Likes
you.
help too if you're on YouTube. So.
Thanks for the help in the past, and this is the future.
Yep.
See you then.
See you guys.